Hello guys, we're going to Bohol.
Yeah, we're going to the Chocolate Hills.
Banga!
What?
Banga!
On our way to the Chocolate Hills, I noticed how the province has managed how to keep its rural charm despite the growing number of tourists. There were still old houses standing proud, vast farms, golden rice fields, and a small forest lining the roads. It was comforting to see that places like this still exist in our country. Bohol has found a way to embrace modernization while preserving the heritage of its town. For me, this is what progress looks like, where innovation and tradition blend seamlessly to create a unique ambience and experience.
O, ba't lumipat ka dyan?
Lagay mo anong ayos, baka magulo. Lagay mo na. Alala?
Nakabili ka sinelas?
Hindi, ang liliit. Saan ang mahal?
Saan mo kadali pa mo?
11 po. 300 yung ano? Sige 50 sa atin.
Ano?
Yung Adidas 450.
Mahal naman.
I had only seen the Chocolate Hills in photos and videos before, and never in my wildest dreams did I think I'd be here.
So, papanikin pala namin yan mamaya. Let's go! Go, CR!
What?
Hawakan mo na si Queen, ako na lang mag-CR. Mag-CR ka ba? O, hawakan mo si Queen. CR nga ako. Halika, tingi, we're going to the CR. Yan na. Koi fish.
4, 5, 6,
Sige, mauna kayo, dito ako sa likod.
8, 9, 10.
Si nanay, pagod.
Parang nilalatagan na.
We're here.
The Chocolate Hills were truly majestic, like stepping into the scene of a beautifully crafted video game. A calming sight and the perfect escapade for anyone seeking inner peace.
Sige. So ayan ang Chocolate Hills. Ay, doon marami. How about you, boy? Nanay!
I'm in the top of the world!
Yan anak. Lahat ng yung nakikita. Yan lahat yan. Hindi sa atin yan. Opya. So that's it. We're going down. We're going home. We're going home. Wanna go home na, baby? So ito yung downside na pagta-travel na kasama yung buong pamilya, yung mga bata. It's medyo nakakapagod, right? Yeah. Tapos ang dami-dami yung dala. Pero it's worth it naman kasi nag-enjoy din yung mga bata. Tapos at an early age na experience nila yung mga ganito, di ba? So ito yung parang sa mga Tarsier. Daniel! O yun, tikba lang. Di man tikba lang yan ah.
Stop daw, kuya.
Nag-picture sa kambing. Halika.
Kakaano po yung isang kapatid ko. Ibang kapatid ko.
Nako, Calvin may manok.
Ano? Asan? Ano ba yun? Wala kita doon.
Halika.
Doon na.
Oh. Ay, may ihi. It's actually nice. Wow. Tengi, come here. Wow. There's Nanay and Kuya Bobs.
As we arrived, we were warmly greeted by a group of talented ladies playing traditional bamboo instruments. The serene music set the perfect tone for our adventure, immersing us into the rich cultural heritage of the region.
So marami siyang activity. Nahulog na ako. So there's a horse, baby. There's a horse. Paano sabi ng horse? Neigh. Ayun pa, horse oh. Ayan ang mga kuya ni Babs. Kambing. Picture ka, Babs. Sige, mag-picture ka doon. Pipicture siya sa mga kambing, Nanay. Sige, mag-picture ka, bilis. What is... Aray ko. Oh. Mana, palhusa. Puta, jumbo. Is a lesbian self-segmenter. Tomboy na manananggal. Mastigo. Ngayon nakakita nito. Mana Palusa. A lesbian self-segmenter.
Tita!
Oh, tomboy na manananggal.
Tita!
She loved her very much, however, Palusa was raped and killed by Adayo.
Tita!
Because of that incident, Mana reconciled in order to revenge the Palusa. Mana became Managa and she started her revenge by attacking her male victims and cutting their penises and put it on the top of Palusa's tomb. Oh my god. What?
Tita! Tita! For anger?
Anger management. Sa lahat ng beses hindi ka na maglaro.
Ah, ganon. Gusto mong ikaw ang hindi na makapaglaro.
Ano naman eh.
Selos? Kaya nagsiselos.
Sige, lakas mo. Lako.
Ah, galing ah.
Teka, dito ka.
Kay Els, isa kay Els.
Elso.
Ah, go, isa, go.
Ito nila kasi.
Oh.
Baka maiyak ka pa.
Baka maaga ka pa.
Els, wag ka iyak.
Ay, no label. No label yung tinatarget mo, no?
Lakasan mo.
Lumapit ka pa.
Lakasan mo. Baka matamaan ako.
Hindi.
Go, lakasan mo.
Yun.
Ay guys, si Santa Claus hindi ba ako binibigyan?
Oh, El, sige, go.
Santa Claus, bilisan mo na!
Pumiyok pa.
Classmates, oh.
Magkano siya, ma'am?
50 pesos for 6 araw na po.
Okay, sige. Oh, layo.
Apo?
Nanay, 6 arrows lang.
Mali ang lagay ng target. Parating na nga yung target.
Tatay, ano ba? Yung mga anak mo naman.
Who did it? You?
Yeah.
Tatay, try it.
50 na, okay na isa.
If you don't try it,
Ay, ito po. Sino pa?
and then I don't like.
Babs, ayun kayo dalawa ni Kuya dyan.
Lakasan mo po yung pag nature lover si Ma'am.
Hindi, mali
Ayan, Babs,
ang
ganyan.
target dapat.
Sige. Sige, Babs.
Kuya Bob, ikaw.
Hindi, hindi.
Oh, ayun. Pwede na. O, thanks, turn.
Kunin ka dito, Ma'am. Usok ka.
Thanks, turn.
May pambata po doon, sir.
Ay, meron daw pang bata. Ay, ito pala, oh.
The park had so much to offer, making it a fantastic destination for families and kids. From thrilling rides to interactive exhibits, there was something for everyone. It truly was a remarkable experience, filled with joy, excitement, and a sense of wonder that will stay with us for a long time. We also had a chance to see one of the smallest pyramids in the world. While it was fascinating, I didn't take many photos. I've never been a fan of wild animals being kept as tourist attractions. The air was cooler, filled with the earthy scent of the forest floor, as if we have entered a peaceful sanctuary carved out by nature itself.
So, we're here in Loboc. So, pupuntahan yung simbahan.
Mamaya na yung souvenir. Diyan tayo sasakay sa ganyan.
Ay, bongga.
Bongga. 7 plus 3.
Papunta naman kami sa Loboc Village River. At ang baby ay bagsak na. Hinanay, pabagsak na rin. Banjo. Grabe, ang ganda.
Pagawas na.
Yan, sasakay kami ng bangka. Gusto kami kakain. So, ayun yung simbahan. So, pupunta tayo sa simbahan, nanay. It's actually nice. Nanay, si Tengi. Si Tengi. Wow! It's beautiful. Very much. Oh, yeah. Doon tayo. Dito tayo. Hindi na kami nakapag-video at kami gutom na talaga. Ito nang bumalik. Nanay.
Dami ko natin.
May check ko kasi wala kasi
5
pa lang extra ano.
Ano?
Dati
Walang
5 to.
extra upuan.
Atay.
Hihiga ko sa akin sa pagdidikitin.
Bata mo sana ma'am. Harap.
This is the land of the golden sun. This is the home of a noble man.
a beautiful blend of life and tradition. Our last stop for the day was the historic Baclayon Church. Unfortunately, we didn't make it in time to explore and enter the church, but just seeing it from the outside was enough to appreciate its beauty. It's one of the most beautiful churches I've ever seen.
Yan mga ano yan, mga corals. Ang ginamit, hindi siya adobe. Ako, this is one of the things na gusto kong pinupuntahan. Mga lumang simbahan or kahit anong simbahan. Like this is one of my pet peeves. Gusto ko nagpupunta sa mga lumang simbahan regardless kung
Tanungin daw yung staff. Tanungin daw.
ito na, kung ayaw nila, wag. So yun lang mga kaibigan.
He is my counterpart. Mabait siya.
Bawal daw pumasok. Ewan ko, ayaw nila magpapasok dyan, saka dito. Ayaw nila. Ganda naman.
And after that, everything became a blur. I was completely exhausted from all the walking and the day's adventures. I got early the next morning, lacing up my shoes for a refreshing 5-kilometer run around Panglao.
Dami. Kala ka lang ako nasa ibang bansa.
With the light schedule ahead, it was a perfect way to start the day. Our itinerary was simple, just 2 places on the list.
Morning! Morning run tayo mga kaibigan. Hindi dagat.
That's the video, man.
2.26 kilometers. 3K. $4K. $5K.
First up was Oceanica Bohol, and though I've had my fair share of beach experience in Luzon, it was still a delight to soak in the coastal charm of Bohol.
Hindi, merong shuttle na dyan mismo na ganyang oras mo pupunta.
Ano ba sabi ng pick up tayo?
What I was truly looking forward to though was our visit to the prawn farms at South Farm.
Taas mo. Wow! Agis mo ulit, pagkaya mo na. Ako, ito lang pagkain, tingi oh. Agis mo ba? Ayun.
Yay! Good job!
Ating mga birds. Huwag ka matakot. Lovebirds lang. Tapos pupunta sila sa ganito mo. Kakain sila sa kamay mo. You want?
Calvin, go na! Ayan na!
Oh. Careful! Gano'n may kamay mo. Sige, gano'n may kamay mo. Diretso mo, diretso mo.
Dito ka, sa gitna.
Oh, diretso mo, diretso mo. Huwag kang sisigaw. Huwag kang sisigaw. Konti lang. Oo. Ayan. Huwag kang ano yun. Ayan. Ayan. Sige.
Dami naman eh.
Sige, oh. Yung mukha na. Oh. They're not that scary, di ba? Ayoko na. Kasi penguin, oh. Birds. Ayun na nila. Busog na sila. Baka matakot. Yan. Yan, show na. Let's go. Baka matapakan. Kuya, thank you.
Thank you, kuya. Ay, the water. No, gentle lang.
Ayun na. Hello.
Sige. Ay, ayan siya.
Matalin mo yun.
Mom.
More daw.
Baka makuntag ka.
Dito. Mayroon pa rin mga dito.
May manok. May late lang yan. Ano ka na? Hindi ka naman namin yan. Hindi nakakabol yung ganyan. Ano? Ayan na. Nagbawala na sila.
Allah.
They want to eat na.
Nanay, there's also goats in it.
Oh, faster.
Pare!
Go, feed them.
Let's go here!
Say hi, Tangy.
Can I follow?
Kaya nga.
It promised to be a unique experience, especially for the kids. We chose our tour filled with activities that would keep the kids engaged, allowing them to learn and play. Some might say the kids won't remember all of this at all. But as parents, we will. Every moment, every smile, and every laugh is etched into our hearts. The photos and videos we take will tell the story of these adventures, preserving memories that will both cherish forever.